Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today on this video guys, I'll try to show you how you can create a basic REST SEO script, and I'll tell you the basic of REST SEO on this video guys. So let me start this video, and before starting that video let me show you something. Okay, so I'm navigating to that npm repository. So like here we gonna use our test ng and rest azure. So here we need to search that rest azure dependency. So this is that our rest azure dependencies. So this we gonna use, and another thing we gonna use here, that is our test ng annotation. So I'm searching a test ng and this. So these two dependencies we're gonna use on this video guys. So let me start this video, and here we will about to test that some apis. Okay, so that I'll take my blog. So here I have has written one blog. So here I have listed down some basic list demo apis. So we're gonna use this http status.us, this website. So what is the use for this website? So here we can check the status code of like anything. Like if I want to check the status code of 300, so if I click on ok, so it will give me that the status code. So that's why we're gonna use this website as an api. Okay, so this is the basic thing we will about to write on this video guys. Now let me open that my eclipse. So here we have to install that testng and maven for that. Okay, so you guys can install, you need to go to that help. So here we have to go that eclipse marketplace. So it will open that eclipse marketplace. So here you have to search and install the testng and maven guys. This is the very important part of that video. Without that you can't set up this your id. Okay, if you are using the different id like intelligent id or like any other ids, so their process will be differ. Okay, now so here I have already installed the testng for eclipse. I have already installed. Okay, now here I need to click on that new, and I have to go to that other section. Here I need to select the maven. Okay, because we will about to create the maven project for this, and here I need to select the maven project, and I need to click on next. Now it will open that one location. So this location here that I want to put that our works, this is our workspace location. If you want to change your location, you can change it from here. Okay, now I am click on next. So here by default this archetype will be there. So I'll put it that only and click on next, and here it will ask me about that group id and artifact id. So let me tell that group id like demo small, because we'll about to create the small project here. So demo small small. So that done. So this is our by default package name, demo small. Okay, now if you want to change that project name, then you have to change that your group id and artifact id. So you can change that first of all come this is, and your artifact id will be like this. So then your package name automatically it will be like this. Okay, then I'll click on finish. So it will take some time. So here you can see the processes going on in console. So it will pass the scanning for a project, then it will creating that maven. See here it is about to create. So 33% has done already. Now we need to wait for some time. So here I need to say yes, and I'm clicking on enter, and that bill got succeed, and our project has been added here. So this is our project. Now here we have two files. Okay, so here we have pom.xml. I need to click on that pom.xml xml fast. So this is our important thing, guys. So here we have to install the dependencies like testng and maven. So navigate to that our page. Here I'll copy that the latest version of that both app, and copying it and navigating here and pasting here. Similar way I'm navigating and copying the testng dependencies, and I'm pasting here, and I click on save. So it will take that another time for building. Once it is done, then that dependencies will be automatically added inside that maven dependencies section. Okay, now let me tell you some basic thing here. So we have to write that our all page object and other things inside the main src main java, and all test script related things we have to write under src test java. Why we have to do so? We can create that a new folder and we can write, because once we are running that command like maven test or ambient test or ambient test clean, like this kind of command, then it will only run this like test script which is located inside this folder. So that's why we have to write that our whole script inside that src test java here only. Okay, so this thing you guys have to remember. So that's all, guys. Now here I'm deleting this by default java class. Now I'll have to create a new class here. We can provide the name as in testing demo. So this is our name, and I'm click on finish. So this is our class has been added. Now here we have to write one method, like that method should be public void, and it should be api basic test. So this is our method, guys. Okay, so this is our method. Now method has been added. Now it is a test ng product, so we have to write the test annotation in here, and we have to install that our test annotation by that help of right click, import test annotation, so that our test ng annotation has been added. Now what this actual annotation mean for means, so it is just for basic thing, so I am putting that description equal to test 200 status code. Okay, so this is our description for this test. Okay, now all thing has set up. Now we have to write that our rest SEO script here. So for this we will take the this url as in base url. We'll copy this one, navigating to that our project here. We have to write that rest SEO dot dot. See here some we'll put that this thing to, we can check that why it is located like that. So means base path, like we can check that base uri. Okay, so we'll put that as in base path here. So base path doesn't add that base uri, but the rest I should when make the request. Let's see, base uri is this one. So base path is slash resource, then means the it is like an endpoint. Okay, so we need to provide that base uri. So similar way we have lots of different methods are there. We'll about to know this on further video, guys. So first we need to put that our base url here. Okay, now once it is done, then we have to write that we have to put that response dot then, and here we have to check that our status code. So status code should be 200. Okay, so this is our script, and I don't need this, and I'm running this rest as your script now. So here, So here, guys, see that. So here, status code is getting passed. Now, guys, I don't want to use this rest as your dot. This thing I don't want to use random basis. So what thing I need to do here? So first thing is, like, as this is a rest as your class. Okay, so I can import that all methods in a one shot. Okay, so I am using astic for that. Now I don't need this one, rest assure. Okay, and I'm removing this, and as it is static, so here I can put that this one also response also I'm removing that, and I can put the static keyword here. So now I don't need to use anything like this, that response and dot given. I'm removing that, and similar way, or then also I am removing from here. So here I am removing that. Now I am little bit doing beautify about this script. So I am putting beautification. So I'm putting all thing in one way. Okay, guys. So here now, so this is our a simple rest as your script, which will check the status code of 200. Similar way, we can check the status code for 300, 500 also. Let me put that, copying that full thing. So first thing will be 300 status code, it will check. Second thing will be 500 status code, it will check. So here I'm changing that endpoint. So all things are very simple, guys, from here. So this is the very simple rest as your script, and here also 500. Now all thing has done. So test 2 or 3 it will be, it is test 2, stage 2, and I'm saving that script. And if I click on run all, so all three test cases will be run in a one shot, and it will give me a beautiful result. Okay, so see that three cases has been passed. So first thing is like this one, second thing is this one, third thing is this one. So guys, like this way we can create a rest assured script. Okay, if we don't do like this thing, like import static and astic, if I don't want to use, then we have to use rest assured dot base url all time. Okay, so instead of that, what I'll do that here, base url is coming again and again, and use public. I can create one method public, and it should be void setup. So this method I will create here, and inside that I'll put that base url variable, and I can put this all to before method annotation. So what it will do, before executing all method, it will first do that base url, then it will execute that all this code, simple code. Okay, now let me run all that. Let me check that it will work or not. So see guys, it is working properly, perfectly. Okay, so like that way, so this is our very simple rest as your script, guys. So here we haven't done anything, we just have written some basic script with that a simple rest as your like very simple rest as your script, guys. Now let me tell you like why that means like what the advantages of rest assure, why we have to use the rest assure. So like that way, we can test that anything. If you want to put that header, then we have branch of method like dot header, dot content type. So many things are there. If you explore the rest assure, then also you get to know. So guys, thanks for watching.